Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you here. Make sure you're subscribed. Today we are doing a wig install, and this is a wig that I fixed. It's a wig that I had made previously, but when I made it like a few years ago, I didn't know what I was doing, so I decided to take it out. And with the new skills that I had acquired, I decided to make a nice wig, a long bob wig, and I really enjoyed making it, and I think it looked really good. I'll add a link in the description box below so that you can see how I made it.
Yeah, so let's put this on.
And since I've decided to take my channel seriously and actually put out more content for this channel, I have decided that I'm going to separate content as it comes, and henceforth on this channel wigs are going to be hair too. Yes, hair too, because they're secondary to our own hair, but they can actually look like our own hair.
It fits perfectly, it fits like a glove, and I like that a lot.
I'm using my MAC Studio Fix compact powder, the same one I use for contouring my face, and I'm going to use this to apply on the lace so that it matches my skin tone. I know it's a little dark, but this is the one that matches naturally. And if wigs are going to be hair too, so that obviously leaves our natural hair as hair one. So I will be making playlists and categorizing all my content in either hair one, hair two, hair three, hair one being our own natural hair, anything to do with our own natural hair, hair two being wigs, hair three being braids and extensions. So this way, if someone is searching for my content, and I'm manifesting here, if someone is searching for my content, they can actually type hair one, hair two, or hair three. And I'm actually very excited about all this, and I would like to see this through. I have just applied the got2b glue on my scalp. As you can see, it's farther away from my hairline. You cannot even see my hairline in this video as I'm applying the got2b glue, and that's how I protect my edges. So I'm only gonna wear this wig for a day, for a few hours, so I'm not going to put layers upon layers. I'm just putting only one layer and letting it dry. I'm using the blow dryer on a cool setting and letting it you know, get tacky before I pull the hair back. And when I pull the hair back, there's some parts of the lace that didn't get caught on the glue, so I'm going in with a little tip of my brush and adding more glue to those parts before I can tie it down. I did find that a pantyhose or a stocking actually lays down and melts that lace nicely to my skin. Let me know what works for you. What do you use to tie to melt that lace to your scalp, to your skin? Let me know what works for you. Guys, I want to scream. It's just now that I'm editing this video that I realized that even the center part, it's not even in the center. Like, it's like a few, maybe like a quarter an inch away from the center, and there's that one little piece that couldn't just go to the other side. Like, it didn't matter what I did, it just couldn't go to the other side. It insisted that it wanted to be on the left side, you know. So so right now I'm just putting some mousse to help that little thing at the front lie down to the right, but it still couldn't. It just decided I want to be on the left, you know. So back to the content categories that I just listed: the first hair, second hair, and third hair. Please leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if there's other like categories you would like me to include, or more content that you'd like me to do. I know I will also be doing things like products for the hair, and DIYs, products and oils and hair growth oils that you can use for your hair, but I don't know where to categorize those yet. If you have a great idea of where to categorize those, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear from my audience, so that I know that all the content that I'm putting out, it's actually reaching someone who needs to know or needs to hear about it. I am using a hot comb to lay the hair down much more and to make it look like flawless. Be careful while doing this so you don't, you know, burn your skin or even like burn the lace, because that's disastrous. Be very careful with heat. I am using a lighter concealer to apply on that line, so that middle part can look more defined, even though it's not in the middle. I know the reason was actually because I was redoing this wig. I washed this wig, so I lost the middle part, so it wasn't really happening for me this day, and I couldn't just see it in the mirror that it wasn't, the part wasn't in the middle. It's no wonder that little hair couldn't go to the left side, because it was used to the right side. I didn't catch it at that time, so I'll have to go back and redefine that middle part. I'll also have to, you know, tweeze some hair out and define that middle part even more. We are done slaying this wig, so it's time to dress up and go outside. The weather is nice, and take some pictures, you know, and look cute out there.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, so we can always share in this platform. Like and share and comment. See you next time. Bye.